servants. I want you to go and the thief. Show this poster to everybody in town. And make sure they know. If they don't know about it, then bring them to me. Yes. So 10 hours later, they should be back already. We brought back two people. Good. Now make them talk. Have you seen the thief? No, we haven't. Everybody in town says you have. Now tell the truth. We haven't. Yes, we haven't. That means we'll have to put you in the dungeon, and if you don't talk, then death. We knew it happened. We're going to put you in the dungeon right now, and if you don't talk by Monday, today is Friday, Monday, death. Come on, I'm gonna cuff you. Come on, move your butt. Where do you think we should put them? Come on, I know. We need another chain or something to keep him from getting away. I wonder what I could get to keep him from getting away. Oh. Hold on. I got an idea. I'm gonna use this pipe cleaner that's in my pocket. I gotta get it out.